So something you might have found in Excel is that when you're writing out a phone number in a cell, the 0 at the beginning will just disappear. And that's because Excel will just automatically remove it once it's added. So we've got a list of numbers here. And if I was to put a 0 at the beginning of this made up phone number, you'll see it just disappears because it's not needed as far as Excel is concerned. So the way we can get around this, just one quick method we can use, is to actually add an apostrophe before the 0. So if we put an apostrophe in and then select 0 and then hit enter, the 0 will stay. And what you will notice is that we get this little green warning symbol here. And that's because it's been converted to text format. So what we can do just to get rid of that is ignore this error and it will disappear just like that. So this is just one quick way you can add a 0 in a cell when you've got a phone number in Excel, and how you can get around that problem of the disappearing 0. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.